Dictation will start in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. Submissions of learned Attorney General for India must be read as a part of the fundamental rights envisaged in the Constitution of India. Full stop. Courts have often drawn the difference between free speech under the US Constitution and that under the Indian Constitution, comma, but even in the United States, comma, free speech is regarded as the most robust, comma, however, comma, it is not absolute, full stop. The restrictions have not been left to the courts to carve out but have been exhaustively set out in Article 19 within bracket 2, full stop. It is for the parliament to determine the restrictions to impose, and the courts have been entrusted with the task of determining the reasonableness, and in the present case, comma, free speech is itself conditioned or qualified by the restrictions contained in Article 19 within bracket 2, which includes defamation as one of the grounds of restriction, and the term defamation has to include criminal defamation, and there is nothing to suggest its exclusion, full stop. The submission is that defamation is only protective of individual cases between two individuals or a group of individuals, and no state action is involved, full stop. Contextual meaning of the term defamation represents public interest, and it is to preserve reputation as a shared value of the society, full stop. It is totally incorrect that criminal defamation under section 499 IPC is a threat to every dissent and puts private wrong at the level of public wrong, full stop. The legal theorists and thinkers have made a distinction between private and public wrong, and it has been clearly stated that public wrong affects not only the victim, comma, but injuries the public, and ultimately, comma, it concerns polity as a whole, full stop. It is a misconception that injury to reputation can adequately be compensated in monetary terms, full stop. Reputation includes self respect, comma, honor and dignity, full stop. Reputation can never be compensated in terms of money, full stop. Even if reputation is thought as a form of property, comma, it cannot be construed solely as property, full stop. Property is not a part of individual personality and dignity, comma, whereas reputation is, and therefore, comma, the stand that the damage caused to a person's reputation should be compensated by money is not justified, full stop. State is under an obligation to protect human dignity of every individual, full stop. In such a situation, comma, balancing of rights is imperative, and therefore, comma, the court should not declare the law relating to criminal defamation as unconstitutional, as it is neither an absolute right nor can it confer allowance to the people to cause harm to the reputation of others, full stop. Next para. Accused applicant is involved in case crime number 50 of 2019 and has applied for bail, full stop. Learned counsel for the applicant submits that applicant has been falsely implicated in the present case on account of enmity for the purpose of harassment, full stop. Applicant committed no offense, full stop. A false and fabricated story has been set up by the police, full stop. He further submits that in all the cases shown in gang chart against the accused applicant, comma, he has been released on bail, full stop. Applicant is in jail since 20th September 2019, full stop. It is further submitted that there is no possibility of the applicant fleeing away from the judicial process or tampering with the witnesses, full stop. In case the applicant is enlarged on bail, comma, he shall not misuse the liberty of bail, full stop. Learned AGA has opposed the prayer for bail, comma, but did not dispute the factual submissions made by the learned counsel for the applicant and submitted that applicant is a member of gang as shown in gang chart, full stop. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, comma, rival contention of learned counsel for the parties, comma, detention of applicant in jail, comma, severity of punishment in case of conviction, comma, number of cases shown in gang chart, and without commenting upon the merit of the case, comma, applicant deserves bail, full stop. Let applicant Javed be released on bail in the aforesaid case on his furnishing a personal bond and two reliable sureties and filing an undertaking to the satisfaction of the court concerned, subject to the conditions that the applicant shall not tamper with the evidence or threaten the witnesses, full stop. The applicant shall cooperate with the trial and shall not seek any adjournment on the dates fixed for charge, comma, statement under section 313 CRPC and argument, full stop. During trial, comma, applicant shall not indulge in any criminal activities or case, full stop. In breach of any condition enumerated above, comma, trial court shall be at liberty to treat it as abuse of liberty of bail and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law, full stop. The applicant has invoked the inherent jurisdiction of this court, full stop. The trial is proceeding at snail's pace and till date, comma, the opposite party has not allowed the evidence of the doctors to be completed and the cross examination is going on by the opposite party since last 7 months so as to elongate to proceedings, full stop. The witnesses have also not been cross examined and in this way, comma, the trial is being obstructed, full stop. There is specific direction of this court that the trial may be concluded speedily, avoiding undue delay, full stop.